Welcome to our car cleaning and maintenance playlist, where we share valuable tips and product recommendations to keep your vehicle looking and running its best. AUTODECO 22-piece car wash cleaning tools kit, your all-in-one solution for keeping your car looking its best. This comprehensive kit includes 22 essential cleaning tools to make your car shine like new. But it's not just for cars. You can use this kit to clean your home, office, or even outdoor gear. It's the most comprehensive kit you'll find, and it makes a fantastic gift for your loved ones on any special occasion. And with a collapsible bucket that's perfect for on-the-go cleaning, you'll always be ready to tackle any mess. From the super absorbent microfiber wash mitt to the durable tire brush, we've got everything you need for both interior and exterior cleaning. The car cleaning tools are made of soft and durable material that is lint-free, scratch-free, and swirl-free. Absolutely safe to clean on delicate surfaces. Gentle on paint while tough on grime or dirt. Say goodbye to streaks and smudges on your windows with our window scraper. Experience the difference with our super absorbent blue and gray towel. Its high-quality microfiber material absorbs water and leaves surfaces dry without a trace. Breathe easy with the air conditioner brush. Its bristles reach deep into vents. Keep your car looking immaculate with the duster brush. Achieve that showroom shine with the wax applicator. Easily remove debris from your car's tires. Enjoy discovering AUTODECO's 22-piece car wash kit? Grab yours in the video description. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more. See you next time.